Alright, just gonna cast a net here. I think I said fish. I got one of my. We're from this other place. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Welcome back to another video today. Sorry I haven't been making videos in a while, but I've kind of been in like thousands of miles away in like Utah or something, so haven't really had the chance to. But today, just kind of going to be fishing with two people that you've probably seen before. So yeah, see you soon. All right, just gonna cast a net here. Nice catch. $1 to the first person who catches a fish. Deal? Deal? Yeah? Yeah? $1 to the first person who catches a fish. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's that weird fish. Don't know why I went all the way over there. There's a tiny, tiny bass. I'm just gonna sit down and let it fall. I think I said fish. I got one of my. Dang it. Can you record me? Get out of here.
I don't really know what I'm looking at, but
Well, whatever. I don't know where my worm went. Alright, well, that's the first one. I get $1 from Nolan and Jeff. For like half
no,
a
well,
pound.
no. I think you said catch something, and I caught something first.
No. $1 to the first person who catches a fish. Alright. Well, gotta put on another one. Cause I don't know where my. Like the 12-inch one? Well, just putting on a 12-inch worm. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Oh, yo, there's a bass right there. You see it? You want to go after it? Oh, yeah, true. I'll try it. There's a bass right over there. It's small, but I might be able to get him. Oh, there's a bass right there again. He's back. There's a bass right here. Yeah. Oh, I think there's another one. A bigger one. we found this other place. I actually don't really know where it is, but it's a place. Opening a fence right here. I'm gonna go. Actually, I'm gonna see something real quick. Open. There is an opening in a fence right here. Walk all the way around. Fish that jumped out there. Alright. Oh, we're going through out here. Trying to find a good spot. Fish. It's the water out there. I went away from Nolan and Jeff. Just gonna cast right here. Right here. Nolan and Jeff are over there. Way over there. What's up? Hey! What's up? Oh my gosh. That was like a terrible cast. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Jeff had one on. I thought he threw it over the fence. Jeff, I thought you about threw that fish over the fence. I need to figure out how to be able to cast. Okay, figured it out. I'm actually thinking about putting a frog on. Looks pretty good for a frog. I've been seeing a lot of fish come up to the surface too. Maybe a grasshopper. Maybe something like that. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, there we go! Got one! There we go. There we go. Right there. This is such a small dude. Alright, well, time to let him go. See you later, buddy. He smells good. There he went. Never fished here before. Kind of just randomly found this spot on the map. I'm just like, hey, there's a bunch of ponds around here. Looks pretty easy to get to. Why don't I just go ahead and see if we can catch a fish over there. There's trees all around here. I love the shade. This branch is close to the, kind of closest to the ground, so kind of annoying. So far I'm the only one that's caught fish today. Jeff had one on, but couldn't keep it on. The hook came out, and I thought he threw it over the fence. Nope, he was just his hook and everything. Oh, it scared me. Alright, this one's too tore up. I gotta put another one on. Alright, well, I got this, switch lures. I was gonna do watermelon red again, but I got this, June bug. Put June bug on. See if that works. Now we're leaving this exploration. There's Jeff Rowe out there leading. Alright, let's get out of here. go to another pond. Oop. Alright. Looks like there's a soccer ball right there. Alright, well, we're at the last pond of the day today. It's a little bit shallower than all the other ones. It's like right next to the hospital, actually. But I got this June bug Senko on. It's actually really shallow. But let's see, you never know. You could catch like the monster out of here. Alright, well, even though we didn't have much luck today, and Jeff almost threw a fish over the fence, and Nolan caught nothing.
Shut up.
I pretty much had an alright day. Caught 2 fish. Pretty small though. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and hope to see you next one. Peace.
What is you doing? Finna go hard, hard, hard. Ice on my neck, ice on my wrist. That for the squad, squad, squad. Know they gon' hate. Do what I tell them. Get on your jaw, jaw, jaw. Work on smooth. I got the moves. I swear to God, God, God. Hey, I just dropped 200 on